To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yes, I know, yes, I know. We would be here someday. Take time to listen what I have to say. Hey, hey, hey. Ooh, Cause everybody got their roles to play. Everybody got their roles to play. Hey, hey, hey. Please listen. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Hey, hey, hey. I ain't not gonna break your heart. I'm gonna leave that for the scammers. And I ain't not gonna pay up front if I can't get no goods. Just listen to me, please. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Lesson of the day. Cause everything is gonna be okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is not for me just cannot be for me. And what makes you happy just might make me unhappy. I'm so sorry I can't pretend to be a hypocritical kind of friend while I'm on my way. This is the message of the day. Everybody got their roles to play. Check to see if what I'm talking is true. Enough of them bite off more than what them can chew. I see them going down the wrong avenue. But them too, then I ask for help. I've got some news for you. You never listen to the message of the day. Everyone got roles to play. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll go to it. So,
maybe you're on some stuff for more, guys.
oh,
So, you sure you ain't nobody that have nothing on the road? Cause I mean, like, where your face looking at?
I know when I have no fun anymore.
So, what problem?
It's just that everybody talk about my father. They have, I don't know, they never talk nothing good about my father. They say he smoke, he do this, he do that. I don't know where you sit down with that the type of man they for.
You talk about that the kind of man, your father, nothing wrong. Your father is a good man, not follow nobody, that's what them stay. They not like some people relationship, and not follow them, yeah?
What you mean my father is a good man? But my father don't know when he's supposed to there and keep you company. At time for you find love, you need somebody who respect you for who you is.
My child, so what you say, your father don't love me, he don't respect me?
Well, basically at that me see how me see.
Why you that say no love me, he don't respect me?
Because he have other woman out there, in up and down, in smoke, in drink, in all over the globe.
You see me, the man?
That's what me hear.
I like
Never
them
see
tell.
him.
I hear them tell me say father of woman. I've never seen him with that woman. When he come home, I've never hear him phone ring. Me never see my eye and
Because
talk
he
to
know what
nobody.
to do. If you know make them call, probably all 3 phone he have or 4. He use them out.
I'm telling you something. You see, when you're in a relationship, people go try to mash up your relationship because they don't like what you have. Because they feel like it's too good for you. So them tell lie and make up story and talk things when I go. So don't listen to them when I talk with your father. Your father is a good man because guess what? He provide. You know, see him provide. You ever see me going out there and work it?
Yeah, he provide, but providing have nothing to do with the whole concept. Like, me and him not even have a bond as a father and daughter.
I
No
understand.
look good, all me and you have a band. Right now if he come, me and him not go talk or nothing.
I understand, and that's what me try to change. Me want your father for you and him to talk a little bit more.
Mommy, if you never change that in the past, or you go change that in the future now, you late.
I pray every day that Tony can have a better relationship. Because despite everything what people say about him is a good
Listen,
man.
my father attitude is a dirty attitude and me not gonna work with that type of attitude. And for a big man, he not supposed to have locks, cause Rasta is a respectable man.
What you say?
He need to cut off your locks.
I don't like what you say with your father.
True.
Because your
It
father
true,
take
go
care of
hurt.
that is the greatest thing. And him take care of you, make sure you go to school, he make sure you have a place over your head to sleep. One more. Don't follow nobody.
Better when he come in here and drunk. What kind of father that's?
That's the only thing problem he have. Him have a drinking problem.
You have a drinking
Have a
problem.
drinking problem.
Well, your man feel much age still, so you go pick up for him. Anything nobody say about him, you're not gonna believe.
No, but I wouldn't let nobody else say nothing bad about your father. At the end of the day, your father, yeah, we one child, you know.
Why you never have more child? Why am I all picking? Sometimes wish me did have brother or sister.
But we try and at the end of the day we never have any more
And
children.
why you can't have a picking?
I don't know.
Your home shift? You lock up?
Child, when you get big, you see some people they only design to have one baby. That is why I don't believe in abortion. Because sometimes you design to only have one child, and then at the end of the day when you get pregnant early and you go do away with that child, you can't get no more because you want baby and didn't pay half. That's why I always encouraging to tell my daughter, I like when you go to school and taking your education, you know, with one of friend and a boyfriend. I mean, when you make nobody change you and full up your head. Because when you get big, you know, you have your own life, you know. And people are going to come tell you things. And when you have a great husband, people are going to try to mash you up and come tell you things about your husband when you go so.
Then you can't tell me nothing because nobody can come in my yard.
Child, you get big. You will see everything just unfold in front of you when you start of your adult life. And you start having like a boyfriend. If you same friend them now, we say you and them are friend them now like to see a relationship, you know. You think a little time the lady over there so we should send me and her a friend. Come tell me, say, your father run a bar a drink and carry me out of the yard to go around there now. When me go around there, your father not around there. You hear what she tell me say? Him run here a long time, so look like him gone. Alright, if I choose share talk, I never yet go one time go catch him.
Because probably at the time they left a woman yard. That's what they are saying.
Child, so my time, when their friend them we tell lie, you know.
Good. I'll go there.
We are go with them then here, Anna.
When you have a drink later? Eh? You don't want to drink with me again?
I'm not drink nothing. No, I don't like the drinking thing. I don't like it.
Oh, yo.
You need to come sit down. We need to talk to you.
Talk to her. Better make she come on. She will come on.
Why? We need to have a conversation.
No. Man, a different vibe. I can't bother the vexation, long face, and it's like I make it sound like I'm grateful for there. Oh, so you say you're coming here? And if I never just say I'm not there?
I'm sure.
You don't worry about that. You know? Negative and but one more thing.
You know me can't live with this. I don't like this.
Oh, yes, man. You want to chat or you want to chat?
I need you to put down those and let us have a conversation.
I couple nights. Put a couple nights. The girl move like you have life now. It's about time you have manners and respect, you know.
Where you come from? You don't just don't drink. What you want drinking at the house for?
Make sure you put ice in cup.
Come sit down, because you know she don't like them behavior there with you. You always do it. That is why you not get along. Yeah. I think you had enough, you know. You need to put them down now and come go lie down in your bed.
Let them encourage me. You say what you want to chat and you want to chat.
Me nobody want to talk, because you're not in a mind state to talk to me.
We miss me in mind state to talk.
Because you're not sober. You're sober? Watch ya. Watch ya. Look, you're not in a mind state to talk to me, because you don't sober. I need you to go and get some rest and then wake up and me, you and the child talk.
I kill me about rest in peace, you want to say?
Look here. You know, when look girl in here said to me a while ago, people always have bad things to say about you. That's what she's saying. You're not a good father. You need to cut out these drinking habits that you have.
I'm going to tell you something. You read the Bible? Ask that question, you read the Bible?
Yes, you know me reading the Bible, so why you asking me that question?
So how you feel read the Bible and live the Bible rules then? Make sense?
What did the Bible say
The
about
Bible
drinking?
says give strong drink to those who have problems, let them sleep away them problems. Like, you know what I say that Bible?
Then hold on there.
Huh?
What kind of problem you have? What me not know about?
Enough things are going on the road, you know, look on the big Father's Day. You wanna give me a gift? Eh?
Oh, the road?
Wanna give me a gift?
Me not understand. You
Wanna
say a
give-
whole heap of things are going on the road. Uno give a gift?
Wanna give me a gift for Father's Day? Only thing you can come and hammer and chisel. Cause I know say me look for carpenter work. Wanna not to give me like a chocolate and like a sweet upon like a sitting.
Stop. You keep on.
The regular curry chicken you give me white rice. Regular curry chicken. I mean I say it's supposed to be a special day. When our fear Mother's Day, when me carry go? Me carry go over 11. And you sit down in there, you say you want shrimp.
I did not cook our chicken yesterday.
So
You come like you lose your mind or something.
I'm glad you see me with head by you. And that girl, you make cook my food. That's why it's full of pepper stuff. And you know seminar like pepper. Eh? You know that. Come and go. Let me talk in British. Me talk in British. Now me tell you British say, the woman can't eat food of pepper. Like you don't love me no more. Like you want a man fine. A man fine.
Look here, it's me cook the food yesterday. She did not, and I did not cook curry chicken. You know what you ate yesterday for your dinner? I did not cook white rice neither. I cooked shrimp, curry coconut shrimp with mashed potatoes and sweet corn. That's what you ate yesterday for your dinner. You come like you lose your mind or something. That is it why the child, I listen to what people I say out the road, you know.
Shrimp have bone tonight? Eh?
Jesus.
Oh, yeah,
See this, it'll mess you up.
What mess me up?
The rum and mess you up.
This has saved my life. You know, sometimes a day I'm stressed out. Alright, look at it now. You look on fear, red zone. See? I'm going to tell you, say, just go hug me a little bit and rub me down a little bit. Just play a little bit, make you can spit like a pony. And you don't really want to do that. You say, you know, there's something you're a Christian and you say that and blah, blah, blah. What am I going to do? I'm going to just drink some little rum and easy. I'm going to say, come on now and drink little rum with you. You know, that. What you know? Eh? What kind of woman you be?
Why are you always drinking?
Because I am stressed, and if you don't set me free, I can't free my mind. You understand me? I said, look how I'm going to human go do me here, and a woman saying can't do it and thing. Big Father's Day, eh?
But you got full time, you get rid of that. Your daughter is right. At full time, you get rid of that. Come and feel like it'll get to your brain or something. Marika, me go ask her what you eat yesterday for your dinner. Because you come like you don't remember things. You lose your mind. You're saying things that nah happen. What you mean by?
Alright. You're all going now. Maybe basically I'm going to lie down for you because I'm tired of this conversation and say, yo, it's a little girl you need to talk to her because she needs to have manners and respect. You see, she be a problem, she fight people and give all kind of trouble, but you don't hear about it because I have to pay them. You know, so Mr. Jones' son come check me 2 days ago. And I have to fix up in car. Because this a girl, I'm not calling him girl, I'm fitting still. But this a young girl, I'm not calling him girl. I said, this a young girl, when she, him and the boy in an argument, he go lick off the boy father sitting there, mirror. You understand? I have to pay to fix it. You
know that's true. I like them I tell Pana. Them always make up story and tell. Because you know she keep herself to herself. Me her only friend, you know. You ever see her with somebody that talk that's friend yet?
Remember saying I camera over there? I camera, they control me.
And you're not see good. That is why them always show you and them not show me. Why them not show me we're always sober? Why them always show you things that you can't see? Why? You can't see?
Yo, don't run for me now.
Watch out. You think I joke me and make?
I'll be laughing, tell me you have to feed that, you start to feed that now.
But me have to laugh because see funny here. Because if you always say things when I go so, why them always show you things? Why them can't show me?
What did you say?
Wow, no depend me. You can't bother with the money, you know. Marika,
you being to them so?
You're nasty right. Tell that me tell you say you're nasty right.
Nasty, you call me nasty now. Alright, everything good.
You know, me I believe my daughter now. My daughter, she's sick and she's tired of that situation. She asked me, say, me not to say, not treat me good. And it's true. Yes, you're coming here, me there every day. Me not going to accuse me of things.
Jessica, alright, let's calm down for a second.
I'm tired.
You see, you can't calm down for a second. Let's calm for a second. Yes. Alright. Anything else from the gate?
Yeah.
Alright, that's one of them. Alright, You hear about me I wrote some doing no wrongness with girl?
All the time.
No, listen.
And your daughter hear it and she's sick of it. She don't
Alright,
like it.
You are going on. It's what you understand is that, for example, look at the one shop and you have all I want to drink. And you say, miss, give me a drink, you know. Me no want them come to me with me drink and happy because me will drink sad rum. Me no drink sad rum. Me want happy rum. So if me say me see a girl that serve and me give her a compliment, make she laugh and she feel like maybe, you know, me a look at her, so I feel her business that. So when she carry rum and happy come give me have a happy time.
But you're not compliment me. That's what your daughter talking about. Honey, you're out there complimenting other women. You're not compliment me.
I compliment you
Where?
from the day when you move in the house. Yeah.
Oh.
You see no other one moving in the house? Yeah?
Okay.
That compliment is a big compliment. If you give thanks, how much girl can you move in the house? Yeah?
Me see what your daughter talk about and she's very unhappy because of this situation.
Oh, she not
And you need to change and stop the drinking.
I got change my clothes, of course. I must not change your time. I must change and stop drinking. What you talking?
It's okay.
Alright. When you come go to church, what pastor said to you about me? You remember what pastor said about me?
I always remember.
They say I have a spiritual ministry. So if me have a spiritual ministry, what me feel like a spirit? What the backside there? Yeah, I'm tell you something, man. Stop arguing with me and make me feel like something not something right or wrong. You understand me now? Look on the road. Me just drink rum and come home, come sleep. No, look more me for go and work. You come with me?
Pause me a while ago. You say, oh no, give no, like me, I want pitney have her more. You have more pitney out the road?
No.
You have pitney out the road?
No.
So you mean Uno, get up on Uno?
Uno does stress, scratch or sink. What me ask? You have a problem with me?
Me have a problem with the drinking.
Okay, alright.
And you not treating my daughter. You not treat me with no respect. And you not treat my daughter with no respect neither. No, because you always a fight in front of your daughter. You always say things.
You know what fight is?
What makes you upset?
She alright, you know. She get upset that you want him know himself and know him place. She feel like she a big man. Make me ever hear one day. Say somebody know you climb panty I hear what I want. How are because he need to be. You need to have. I just feel like that go on. You need to check it out and see if she or man.
Don't tell her like I'm pitting have no man.
Alright.
Don't tell her like her. You know what me I go do for a peaceful life?
What?
Me I go make me a picnic, go down with my mother, go spend some time.
Where is mother?
Cause me can't deal with this no more. Me cannot deal with it.
You want to say your mother scared of you? You live with my mother?
My mother?
What do you mean?
What the money really I said to
My
me?
sister give up certain things, but I think she give up me with because sometimes she asks me some things and me have to say wait. What you ask me say? No ask me them bomb scout stuff there. You understand?
Go and go sleep, please. Cause
I'm sorry, go pick up and yeah, because you no sense, you know.
me say
Go pick up and ice, because she no sense. You let her know.
me say go and go lie down sleep cause she not bring no cup and ice in here. Cause be a foolish that you talk. Me no know what you talk say.
Turn on the fan and we'll lie with my wrist.
Not turn on the fan, man. You feel burn up. Me
Wait,
tired of
wait,
let go from me, man. Me go about my business. Tired of you.
I'll fix the business when we go. Get up your beef bar and wake up and say sad. Yeah?
Why me can't get this little girl phone? Wait, call her, see.
Marka, you know where you call you?
No.
I understand what you talk about, you know. I see what you talk about with this man here. Nah, boy, I don't know.
What you talk about?
Your father.
Oh. I never know saying me talk about.
But your father, you have to just give him time. You need
Time for what? Like, I turn big girl now, me always give my father time, me always give him chance. But he always do something out of way if you make that the chance they gone down the drain or something.
Just give me some more time. Just want him to stop the drinking. If once him stop the drinking, he will become a better father. I'm sure about that.
That not gonna happen. If he not stop drink, then I know he gonna stop drink. Eh?
You have to have faith, child, and believe that one day I have to stop.
And they have to stop. Okay. Let's hope and pray so one day it happen.
Well, if he want a family, he must have to stop.
What you say you do? Put on your foot now?
Yeah, it's a fist stop.
Ah,
So why you laugh?
no, because knowing you are a soft person, I never hear you say something like that. So it kinda shocked me to my bones. So you will say something like that.
Cause I can't continue listening every day and hear him at it burn my heart to hear your father at it every time. So it have to stop.
And that's more attitude with father, but it's just the type of man him become over the years. No, me want a better father. Me just, yeah, me want him to drink. Me want him change in dirty ways, be a better person, be a good husband or boyfriend to you, whatever the case may be. But you talk to him every day, every night, and he not change. Every day I same thing over and over, and I care you talk to him. So why sense me go continue I give somebody chance in my life when I change their ways? Tell me.
Your father. I remember my father was this kind of person, you know. He was this kind of person.
So you go pick up somebody like your father?
And check him out. He never was like this all along, you know. I don't know why. All of a sudden, him just start drinking. He never was like this. I don't know where him get this dirty style from, this dirty habit, this drinking. He never used to drink any at all.
But you not get problem. Me not get problem in that school or nothing. So how you just take up this habit here?
He has something dealing with what I think he doesn't want to talk about.
Probably your type of friend them when you have nowadays.
Probably.
Probably it can be.
But something bother him when him not talk about.
So why you not sit him down like one day before him go, like when he's sober, and talk to him, have a serious conversation, lock the door them, lock the two door them and hide the key, and tell him say if he not talk to you, he can't leave your house. Once he talk to you, then he can leave your house. You have to put on your foot. I feel your man. You want a better future with him. You want me to stick around, you have to do what you have to do. So you realize because of him met you have to stop going to church. Because guess what? If people them a say you the drunkard, so you can't be missionary no more. You have to go come after this, so go a backbench. You just suffer things for him. You not suffer it for you, you know. You not do nothing wrong, you know. He might do something wrong and you are the problem.
My child.
Every day in disgrace you more and more.
I understand, but I just have to pray for him. I can't just get up and just live, so. Can't live, so.
I never say you just get up and live, so, you know. But you have to do something to make him see. Yeah, alright, man. Remember some mama used to tell me, say, you know, come on when you sign tail until it gone, you know. So you are the cow, you know, and daddy are the tail. So you for make daddy know use.
My child, I tell him a while ago, say. I go to my mother, I go take you. And him go on with himself, you know, him in a right state of mind. Him say yesterday, me allow you for cook. Was that true? Him say we give him curry chicken and rice. I say, where we give the man yesterday for his Father's Day?
I can tell you something.
I don't know.
But they switch food, you know.
Why you do that? Where you get food from the switch?
But they get food over auntie. I never want to carry full of pepper. So I give daddy it and I no say no like pepper. So I do that because you know how look fun me do that have. You have to understand.
You can't do that to your father. I mean believe so I'm telling you. Come here believe him in him right it. I mean I tell him so nothing no go so. Why you do that? You know your auntie cook with all the pepper.
I know but his stomach good as all a bun him then now poor thing. But he kinda deserve it now wow yes still.
Father's Day, should have done that. I could have done any other day. What Father's Day?
Yeah, Father's Day, best day for do it, man.
Him upset about it, you know. Him upset. And I was thinking that him don't remember what him eat. But him remember.
You think my father eat that trace in my drink? Eh?
Well, not to them, I know say I'm an idiot and him know what I do and know what I say. But him need to leave that rum thing alone. Me go going go look about some phone, you know, because him soon wake up and you know on stay when the phone already.
Alright.
So me inside, okay, my baby?
Alright, later.
Where do?
Why you have to sleep with the rum in your arms?
I mean, we put a couple of ice with the backside, which wash there?
Which cup?
A couple of ice, a couple of ice. I think I come.
Nobody now come with no cup.
Nobody not come.
When I go sleep, man?
Let me tell you something, man. You see, don't touch my backside, man, because I touch your makeup, man.
You come like that, the only thing that you love.
May I touch the things that you love? You blend that way, you understand, you say nobody never touch it. You touch it? You great at, yo, don't ramp and rum, man. See?
But there's a reason why I'm saying for touching, because you can't cook, you can't make juice.
I can't make juice, but what do you think it is? Oh, God. You are drinking, you're not drinking?
I'm not drinking no rum.
So, which one is the girl?
She's outside.
Outside, though?
She not doing nothing, she just stand up outside, sit down under the tree. And what happened?
I be can't pick up for she, you know. You don't see how she deal with me, you know. You don't see how she cut me off, you know. You don't see them sitting there, you know. The face long down like a ant eater. You just long down like a crocodile. I don't understand what kind of vibes that. You so much, it's like a people just feel like him turn woman and I want to run certain things. You don't understand? Now I'm some daughter and love them father. And you know what I mean? Just but you know, if I claim some of your things. You hear things I run?
Everybody at your things. I'm going to think them put me a backbench, but me not go to church anymore. Because of you and the drinking and everything where you out the road do. You need to stop it.
You never start watch people too much to my church. That's a problem. Tell them say, me say. Then if you find them, alright now. You see most of them are watch for business than business. What's time for you know? Yeah, give me look something, I'll give me look something.
Look here now, I look about something for my baby get for eat. And if you look where you want to eat.
You mean baby get something?
My daughter.
So me and a baby again?
No, my daughter, my baby, because you not act like a baby. You can't treat you like a baby again.
Me not act like a baby coming and say, wah. How the a baby wah, she instant. You have to decide, you know. Because, alright. For example, if your family get back together, all the family get back together. Because she feel like she's not a part of this family, you know. Tell me something, a jacket to give me?
In order for your family to get back together,
A jacket to give me?
you have to stop drink. That's why you have to stop the drink. Remember, you know, how me forget your jacket. Me could have gone away and you know they back at me. Me ever walk yet for you meet me. Eh?
Yeah, I'm fine. Wake up with guys.
It's funny how nowadays you just left me and gone all about. And me can't go nowhere.
Wait, the woman there will take your space. You laugh off of you. Hold on. The Bible says, so a man think it is all so easy. So you tell me now.
Trust me, sometimes I feel wonder if you're gone mad.
I mean, you're gone mad. You know what I'm saying to you believe what I'm saying? Not what I said to me believe what I'm saying. Big father say you give me pepper food. You give me pepper food when you say you cook. And you're going to tell me say you cook shrimp. And a chicken mixed with bone, big old bone. Chicken back too. And you're going to tell me say me a liar. No need to tell no lie. You understand me I say? Yeah. No shrimp, no boat night the last time I checked. Go check Mr. Chin and Mr. Chin.
You want some shrimp now?
Must give it to you. I not tell you something to do something again, because I tell you something I want shrimp yesterday and you not give me. So I'm not going to take a chance and tell you.
You see, we don't understand. Boy, I can't manage them leave it here, you know, I cannot manage it. I can't manage it tug and war between you and your daughter. I cannot manage it. When you need to stop drink this and everything will go back to normal. When you go and stop drinking, you never used to drink, you know? I don't know where you get this drinking habit from. Me just take up this drinking habit.
I'll stop drinking tomorrow.
Every day that you say.
Yeah, because there's no tomorrow. Duh. You know that?
Really look at me, I forgot to take out my things and go to my mother. My clothes. Me and my baby are going to go with for some time.
You know, if you think you bad, take up your things and go. You can't come back here. Let me tell you about sometime. What you plan for that for the person? You go buy that too?
No, what am I going to do? You forgot to say me to go to school and my degree, I can't go work?
You forget to say, because you have a degree, you can't work. You forget that. You can't get no work, nobody not hire you because you have a degree. You're smart, yes, but you're done in a reality because guess what now? If you ain't go and work while you get a degree, you could have work after you get a degree. But that's how it thing go.
Who make me not work? I was working. If you guess when you meet me, I was working. And you make me stop work? I got to tell me about you can't bother me. I got work.
Why?
And you want me to stay home and take care of the house.
But why am I saying that?
Me don't know.
You have amnesia. You have amnesia.
Sometimes I feel like you have all of the amnesia where you have to me have.
I have amnesia.
Why me stop work? Why?
You remind me of
Yeah, remind me. Why?
You drink and you drunk. No, sir, what could I?
You're just funny. You're always funny. You're always so funny. The funny, you know?
Remember, say, the man going and run you down and look you, and you claim, say, he must stalk you to 1 degree where you have to live out of that the era there. And me take you up and for you come here, you know, look back that way there. You remember saying threaten you? They say they go chop off your neck and them sitting there, post it on light post and then, you remember? I dumb or give me the damn cup of
I could have worked down here. I could have worked down here. Watch it.
God is good.
I could have worked down here. You forgot the time when I did get to work. So I'm not taking work.
Why? Because that the pervert man then me not make him go around. You man? You realize I look on you? You realize I shake? Instead of this dirty man shake your hand him and hug you. A good thing some man go out the door like are you ever doing things? Because when you have the dogs and ready for call them and make them bark out there, you know.
That's your problem, jealousy. That's how I kill you, not jealousy. That's how I bother you.
Yeah, don't give me some of that. Talk to me.
Yeah, talk about that jealousy.
Wait a minute. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Me go cook. Me go cook. Me I go cook and my pitney hungry. When pitney I go eat. You think you make me go cook? No. Me go look about something for she eat. You know, so she not really like the snacks and the bun and cheese. Something she want to cook for that evening time.
No, 16, 17.
Go look work where?
I don't follow you.
At college she go, so she go look work. She what she for do? Stop going to college and go work?
You hear one thing, you see, in honesty, you're just stubborn and stuck. Your face stubborn, worse than donkey to beef bar. Listen to me. You're a cubby. Let me tell you something. At the end of the day, if she can't find one work from now and secure herself in a system, that me I say. Remember, say when you wake up on training, what's it called? Work program?
Work program.
What happened, man? I look at her again, can you see her skirt too tight? And all them something there, and what happened after that? You must see me a call again, you remember? You know, so that's one reason. You must say you can't diss me, no?
Look here, forget that, take that up to your head here, because she not going to look no work. She go and go to college until she finish what she do, she go get her work. She don't need her work now. And you're a pooper, you have to go work and go to college out there. Look here now, me go cook. Me go cook my picnic food. Leave me alone, man. Me nah come now with me and cook my picnic food. That means me go in the kitchen go cook my picnic food. You say you start drink, I will lie down side there as much as you want. But, no, when me have to say you not come in with no rum and no boom. And you stop coming with them there, give it to me, me throw it away.
Show your backside.
You see it, same thing I tell you about?
Don't sure.
Put down for what? Me when you're done with the drinking, tap it. Let me ask you a question. You want to lose me or you want to lose wrong?
Yeah.
What do you think we should have cooked? Chicken or saltfish?
I don't know where I want to cook. Ask your man where you cook.
We not start with something. We me ask for man, your father. You know, so me get a dream a while ago. Me get a dream a while ago, you know, me need, why me no know. And this is something I want to go on between you and your father. I come like say like I'm mash up the family. I mean I want it like that. You know what? The dream I get is like me dream say easier and it's like we are trying to hold a conversation but you and him at it down on each other throat. I mean I want it like that. I want him to stop doing that. Me go ask him. Me go wake him up for ask him what me for cook. Alright, please, me I beg you. We need to get along, okay? Wake up. Hello. Bobby. Get up, my man.
Backside there, we can't sleep. Eh?
You sleep enough. Wake up now.
Let me say sleep enough. I can't not sleep enough.
What you think I should have cooked? Chicken and saltfish. Bobby, wake up, my man. I need to talk to you. Come get a dream a while ago. You not sit well with me.
Jesus!
What Jesus for? What Jesus do? I need to talk to you. See all of this what me I go through?
What you want?
I need to talk to you. Because me get a dream where it is like it's never ending battle between you and Marika and it cannot work. It cannot work, you know? Because right about now it a get to me head, me and tell you say me sick and tired of it.
So what you think I have a problem? No share a problem, man. This a little girl that feels saying too big. That's a problem. When you ask about you can wait me for man.
I really can't do this no more, no. I really cannot do this no more.
Where money them I make go a shop go buy where some fi buy. Me buy chicken and done. Cause obviously you don't know where one, you don't know where one. And me want chicken, so where money dey?
See money for the dress, so take it up and go and buy the chicken and come back. I need to talk to you about it. Because I can't do this no more. Can't take it no more. Just cannot take it. I'm giving up too much for the family already. You know what things must sacrifice for me. You come like say you don't even care. But listen to me and listen to me good. You see, because of you, I have to stop go church. Because of all the way you do. My daughter ever sad with life in a misery. So you see, if you're not willing to give up your drinking, me just have to leave. So you choose from now on. This time I'm very serious about it. Is that you're going to make your family work, you're going to do everything to make your family work, or I'm going to leave. So you decide what you want to do. Because I can't deal with this no more.
Keep on and say, you decide. Decide what? Me not have trouble nobody. You get the money regular on one time. And all them something. Some don't understand why problem.
That's all.
But you need to, you see, what you need to understand is that you know, pay attention to certain things because that little girl are too feisty. You understand? And me not really want to get myself in trouble because Jamaica one place where if you talk too hard to one girl, then feel say you abuse them verbally and them something there. So me said to myself, say, why me can't fix it? You know, the country guy on where now me have to left it that you not taking things serious.
You try mad me, right?
Huh?
You try everything for drive me insane, right? And that you do, you're an adult and she's a child. And she's just like you. So you're rebellious and so she's rebellious too. When you're going to stop this and come together and make everybody just live, you know, she just need to stop the drinking. When you're going to stop do that.
So you never stopped last night?
Jesus.
You stopped drinking last night though?
And you go back tonight. You stop tonight and you go back tonight, go drink. You stop last night and you go back tonight.
Because you don't want to service me. You don't know what I want. Yo, I too much things about that. You don't do that.
Me say, stop drink completely. If you stop drink, your family can go back the way it was if you leave the drinking alone. And stop go out at night when you don't have to go out. Because you think me no know say you go a bar at night when I tell me start work you go. And people see the little girl and constantly tell her to mess up her meds. Why you not stop it and grow up and be a father?
What do you mean grow up? You see me a picnic? Look at a picnic here?
Of course.
You talk something. What's my call? You talk something sometime, you know. I wonder if something really.
Who I call you?
My brother, man. Yo, what now? What? What do you want to talk to me for?
Look here, we're having a family meeting, so tell him say you can't talk to him. And you not leave the house tonight.
Say it again, make you hear, because them not really know what I'm saying. Brother, I'm soon forward, yeah?
You're not going nowhere.
I'm soon forward.
Not today.
Let me talk to you. Yes, sir. Cause, but him is a man who, you know, call me regular, so if he call me, you know, say much something. Look for the number, look out for number that. Up there, look for the
Listen, I
number.
can't, me no business. Oh, I call you, could I be your mother? You're not left here tonight. We're fixed. Everything we have to fix tonight.
You see a day now, me go check him on and forward back. When I come back, me talk. You have a serious talk?
More have a serious start. Me no want you go nowhere. More you stay in the house. You see, and you go to the door, you come back with buckle in your hand, and me you go upset, and me go take my things and me go leave.
Me not gonna do that, man. Just ease the man talk. Trust me, man. Trust me, man. I go force you, man. Me soon come. See?
Go on, we have. Just go and come. Sometimes I just feel like say, you know, want with family, so you're ready to give it up. So just do what you have to do. Do what you have to do. Go on. Because you see you, and then you got to talk about the pitney. Jesus, I'm tired of that man here.
Acha, oi.
I may attack?
I saw you little and ring. If you pass your uncle. Come here, man. Come over the back. See your face look so. They don't feed you up there. Eh? And myself me I talk to.
What you say?
You not hear what me just say?
No.
Me say if they not feed you up there.
Of course, then I must feed me.
So you are walk with your face long down, so like you're not even see one rice grain for a morning.
Uncle, that attack me for?
No,
You think you ask something?
happy about that.
We attack me
You
about?
and your father a problem, you know.
Uncle, that you call me back for? If you ask
Me
me?
never call you, and me see a pass. And you have me need, so I don't know how you pass your uncle. Look how long I not see you. Eh?
Sir, you don't know where me live? Eh?
So you talk to me, so you know, say no manners. You
No,
need to have some manners.
No,
And that's why I'm
uncle.
not come up on the yard, you know.
No want you up there. Cause no
I can't
space
take a
not
problem
there.
when you have at the yard. I don't know if it's something to the yard or a house or a uno. Something about up there. That's why I'm not come up there, so.
Nobody never want you up there. Because no space not there for
And
you.
you know,
And you
stop
have your
talking to me,
house.
so. Stop talking to me, so. I mean, you know, your little friend, them.
How
Me
me
your
talk
uncle.
to you? You talk.
If you say, yes, uncle, all right, and this and that, no, come talk to me so like me your friend.
You don't talk?
The same thing. Father God, please. All right. Look, girl. You know, all right, go on, come here.
So you tap me for waste my time. After me I go shop for go buy food for my
Because
mother
me I
cook.
say, look
You
for
tap.
me, how my knees get big. Are you?
I first say sister me get big. You know say me get big long time.
I will slap you, you know?
Slap who?
I will slap you.
My father don't
And
lick me and my mother don't lick me, so you cannot lick me.
Me your father, brother.
And
Me
so
have all right to put me on my bed. Go on.
me go report to your police station now.
Go and go report me on manners. Anyways, the reason why me tap your door, if you ask you, say, where you give your father for Father's Day? You give him gift.
Wait, uncle, let me say something to you. I want you to listen carefully, you hear?
Me a listen.
If me dey give my father something, that will have nothing to do with you. How that concern you? And by the way, no, me not give him nothing because he not deserve it.
What
You
mean he not
understand? Yes.
Your father not do good things for you, make sure you get things, education and make you hungry, no dear. What you say? You not give him nothing.
Me never tell us my father make me hungry.
But they say you not give nothing, you not
The
deserve
type
a
of
Father's Day
life,
gift. What you mean a
listen.
father don't deserve a Father's Day gift?
Listen, the type of life my father is living right now, him not deserve to be treated like a father because him not act like him a father.
What
Him
kind of
act
life
like
your
him
father
a
living?
drunkard. So drunkard don't get nothing on Father's Day.
My brother junkie.
Yes, junkie. He no know himself, he no know his space. He no treat me mother good and he no treat me good.
Come
And
up, they say no, tell them, say how they do when you go back home.
me not tell nobody nothing, me no news carrier.
You know what? Go on. Go on. I'm sorry.
So where did it happen?
You say go on.
That's why I don't like him.
Yeah. They say I won't make it if they can't get full control. They say I won't make it if I don't plan to sell my soul.
What go on, man?
I've got news for you.
Hey, look so.
Yeah, I can't say that. I really read that part.
Hey, me say you brother. I can't call you.
Yeah, they call me for some with money or something or something.
No, sir, I know nothing like that. I know nothing like that. You see me? Be things me and you are going with the in the streets. Be things.
I could love you that talk about big things you hear from the streets. Okay,
Big man thing, bro.
Big man thing like what kind of thing? Eh?
Now when me I hear where you are going with, man.
So me are going with.
You know, say me and your brother already, and you know, say me no idea, and you know, tell me, you see me? Because you look like you got your whole heap. I mean, I like that. I know you that. Me say I take up a drinking thing, that no good.
Everybody have a problem with me and my room.
You not normally drink. What influence you figure you drink?
Problem, but I don't think you can solve because you have no idea about that.
So rum can solve the problem?
You know what I mean? Calm down, look and blink in bed. That's what make me do. Relax with them.
So your problem solved now? You can't answer that.
Hey, you have youth?
I mean?
What do you mean say you have youth?
Me and me youth.
Get picnic from I ain't call you now. Jacqueline, you Jacqueline? You still feel say Jacqueline picnic for your boy?
Stop change the subject, brother. Me I talk about you and the drinking and what they happen make you drink rum so.
Hey, big Father's Day. Yo, alright. Look at it now. See?
Me I hear.
I know say you don't really love chatting. I mean, I say what you are chatting over right now still. But big Father's Day, I get no big for her. Find a girl which teenager style to be boy. I don't know. I don't know how I go on, brother. I don't know what me I do.
Big Father's Day.
Big Father's Day, I get. You not expect no Father's Day gift, you know.
I mean.
You not expect none, so you don't really have a problem with certain circumstances.
Me not expect you and me still I get it.
You get it?
I mean. Right now me a red wine and when me get it now. Yeah. Enjoy my Father's Day.
You?
Yeah.
And you not take care of it?
What I mean?
Yo, right.
You ever see police come up here about for me?
Enough for that.
Oh.
Eh?
What? You can't make things stress your brother for you go drink rum. I know you that you just mash up yourself more. You have to cut out that. Me not like that, man.
I know. Yeah, you hear me I say, you not gonna understand nothing of me at all. Because you know, Pitney was big like a female Pitney down there right now. But she basically, it's like, I don't know, she just lose off the whole respecting her manners. I don't know what really I'm going on. I say, I not talk to her. Because guess what now? And she if come talk to me. Because me way do the work and have her. So why me now if you go fix certain things? And the mama come like say she don't really understand what I want either.
But you as a father if you put on your foot and know say you have to say things. Your foot never down, man, because if your foot did down, you would reach to disappoint you.
So what you ask me for do? What you ask me for do? Go talk me now, talk me a man. Man no talk.
What you mean things. Man no talk about you have to talk to your child, what you mean?
Yo, something wrong with you, know. That is really coming on right now if you come talk with this.
I mean, coming like what you do. You know for you drink rum and stress out yourself when you can't fix the problem because you're a man. And that a man supposed to do, fix things.
That's how we do fix when I get to enjoy, not true?
Not really all the time. You see, we look at time and we go enjoy ourselves, but you know, yo, that is a man duty, you see me?
At the end of the day, I don't tell you say, I don't want to fix it, but this can't fix by me, general. That me I say.
And that you tell yourself.
I don't tell myself, I tell the reality. You know what I go on? Right now, I think high as kite, you know. How much of them I smoke for a day? Eh?
I'm a first cliff this.
What do you mean says first cliff?
I'm a first cliff this.
Alright, cliff a name, alright, cliff a name. I must be split for them about
You need
first
to
split.
fix your problem and stop drink your life away.
I know you don't understand where I'm going. So, well, me not lie, I appreciate the fact you shut me up and reason about this, but it's a bigger than you, General.
It's no bigger than me.
Bigger than you.
Because me can't see why problem. You are the problem. Because you're afraid to go talk. You don't like talk.
What do you mean say me a problem? Brother, how we talk about me a problem? Eh?
So now you.
What do you mean say so how me for be a problem? So
If
you
you did
part
that
of the problem too? Eh?
What do you mean me a part of the
Because
problem?
you come to say me a problem, brother. Yo, me look when you say a problem, brother. When you burn a spliff and I'm on me a murder you will lick. And no matter how much you beat, you still a go a bush go burn beat. Eh? What you talk about?
I tell you now pass, man. You change you know, me understand life. What do you mean?
Well, you still a burn spliff. So why me can't drink my rum?
Me and my reason why me smoke.
Me and rum my best friend. You understand? Because right now,
Just know, you can't manage it.
You hear me I say?
Because Rum I tell you say you're not man enough. And that's the Rum I tell you.
I want to man. Yo,
Because if you're a man, you go and go talk to your pick.
who go talk to you?
Me say go and go talk to your pick and you see what happens.
This a boy, yeah?
Do that and see.
Bonus.
You go come back and say me did right. I bet you come back and say me did right. Alright, go on, I want to junkie. Yes, time.
How are you not see me? How you take so?
Awa,
We realize the problem at the end.
what go on?
How you reach out?
Oh, reach out.
No, cause you move while I reach, so me try understand.
What you mean me a move while I'm rich?
You know, say you take pass me a while ago like you don't know me. I mean, no together see me car, me not so small. After me not hand.
Amanda, I would have grown scammer. Oh, so through your collect scammer money them nowadays I feel like you can't say anything to me.
You mean?
Eh?
But if
So you're going like you not have money.
me never say me not have money. Of course I do. Me never say me not have money.
So
Me
you
look pie and tell
you
you
see
say
me
me
a
not have money.
walk past where you allow rich kid for me on road. Next thing people come rob me. Eh?
You just say you're not rich. Where them a go rob you? Your front.
No, they can rob me my front you know. And also they can look but they cannot touch. That are the thing.
Anyway, you see your father over there. I drink and smoke a turn over. Hey, you better not follow me now.
So my father.
Like me.
My father name come in your mouth.
Girl, talk about don't touch.
No,
Do
don't
not
talk about
touch.
my father.
What you mean?
You realize that me a pass and you say things. No, you're going to put my father name. Eh? Don't talk about my father.
Me can't get advice again.
No, as what?
This
You
is
not
what
in
I
a no
say.
class or no place or no position if you can't give somebody advice. Because you yourself need advice. All of your style need advice.
Look who attack. Girl, that tomorrow I'm not gonna do my hair now. What you talk about? What you mean? What you mean by my hairstyle? Me know my hairstyle shaggy and look, my that look, you know? But look for yours. Look
No,
for
this
yours
is natural
compared to
beauty.
mine.
This is natural beauty.
Me gonna
And
do my
your
hair
ear
tomorrow.
can come in competition with my ear. That is the thing.
I never tell yourself to argue with me, you know. I never
Where you
tell
tap
yourself
it? Where you tap me as a fan? Where you tap me as a
because
fan?
you walk past me like you don't know me. So me have to tap you.
But me never see you. Me
Like-
not even smell you. You realize me hold my head straight and I go about my business. Me not see you.
Okay then.
But look on the type of life you will live. Eh? I say you want to sit down on the roadside and born craving near and grown with all type of different man. So you
Hey,
you don't have sex?
hey, what you mean all type of different man? Who elaborates?
You don't have
Who
sex?
elabor- What?
You don't have sex?
How me having sex have to do with you? Huh?
Come here.
Oh, me giving up
Me
my
realize,
vagina, however they want to pronounce it, affect you.
Because I realize your top comma, I college where you go.
Where college I go? College I teach me nothing.
Oh.
College I teach me nothing.
I see
Listen,
a
you see
procedure.
all of me know. I know school teach me that.
Our
Me
teacher.
learn that off of my own. What you mean college? College you go nowhere? Y'all learn them from college?
Of course.
Apart from you have to write whatever.
Then that's a good if you do right, do assignment and
What?
you're a man. So oh, you have man and you now have sex.
Me not ready if you have sex yet. That not the part of my brain. Me just collect my dividend.
So you feel like so you go always a collect and the
Me
man
never
not get
say
no.
me nah go give me front. You did hear me say so? No, I did not say I'm not going to give him my front. It's just not the time yet. He have to wait. If he can't wait, he go on. I'm looking at somebody else.
Wow. Wonderful. Princess.
No call me a princess.
You are a princess. Because you him give you and things, you feel like say man goes to the and wait till you ready.
Ready to give my front. Anyways,
Wow. Wonderful.
all for your drunken father. We are swing theme cock all about. Theme cock a community cock, you know. All for your mother we up for your yard. We feel like she not get bunch, she get bunch day in, day out, day in, day out.
Are you going back for my father again? What wrong with you? You don't hear myself a tap call my father name in your mouth. Eh? Something wrong with you?
Me not just tell yourself to talk, I don't
Talk
touch.
about my
You
father.
want to see how my vulgar and stay?
Show
Hey,
me.
You know no argument.
Show
you
me.
Go on about your business.
Stop talk about my father.
Go on about your business.
Can you come like our? You
When
want
me put my
him
criminal, me
him
mad,
too?
you know.
You want my father too?
Me know what the hell me not deal with Rasta. Come then on some of them not clean. Some of them
And my
nasty.
father clean and he locks
Some of
clean.
them nasty.
Because
And
you
some of
not
them
fear
hide
head for that you want
some
about
of
my
them hide
father.
and them pork and say they not near meat. Hey, come on.
Oh.
Some of the rest of them hide and them pork and some of them
Amanda.
Me just there, so I'll think and I'll free my mind.
Your mind boy.
What the situation, what is going on with you and my daughter. Come here, so. You sure up where I come from? I say, come here, so. And where I come from?
Where come yourself for what? You're going next year. Ease yourself now.
Is himself with what we do? I want to see if up where I come from.
Sitting there.
Come know your style.
See a piece of makeup and run bar while not true.
Yeah, so I have to smell you. Because, boy, I don't know. I know really happening. I know what is exactly happening.
You know?
Yeah, I know what going on.
So what go on?
So you don't know what going on? This whole thing that is going on between you and my daughter, it have to stop. You have to go put, I don't know if you feel like, say, I don't love you anymore and the relationship now go good, make you do certain things. Well, that is not the case. We need you to just stop the drinking. Our family can go back to what it once was. You can promise to stop your drinking?
You see, sometime in life when things gone to an extreme, as I said before, you just gone to one place. Because when you realize it, since you turned teenager, and to have friends, you know if the friend them she have and them talk about for them father in a certain way. I look on it, big fathers them get no gift. Why would I get no gift?
They expect to get gift.
And you know cook for me the proper way. And you make like tell me say I know sitting in my pot which day.
I did cook shrimps. You know what really happened? Just because you rebelled against her and she rebelled against you, you know what she did? She switched the food. Her auntie gave her curry chicken and rice, and you know her auntie cooked a lot of pepper. So that's the food that she gave you and eat your food that I cook. Just because the rebellious one against one, I don't know, the constant fighting.
So what caused that?
You're drinking problem because she constantly a guard when people tell her say, you're worthless father, you're worthless father.
I'm tell you something. Right now, when you think that you can fix by just overnight, you know, because you feel like say, if you stop drinking tonight, you gonna fix. So I don't feel like I want to leg off of mine to comfort. Or to comfort mine, to mind right now. That me I talk about. And then you know the next one. It's like you know, really realize what I want. So you know I step away and I try to say, boy, fix it when you can actually, you know, make things work better to it by you just comfort me at night time better and make me stop get so aggressive and angry. You know, meaning if I'll be a pillow you hug up at night time, you know.
That's always your problem.
And you know, hug me up. Me alone in bed this morning and you have to say, make you touch me and lick me and wake me up. Eh?
You know how much time I actually try to talk to you? And I come in at night and you're drunk. You not look for me when me want you to look for me.
So when me want you to look for me, you look for me? Eh?
Me can't look on a drunken man. Me don't want to look on a drunken man. You wasn't this drunkard before. All along when me there pay attention. You never did a drink. You used to drink and me used to pay attention.
You see your phone at the ring? Eh? You see your phone at ring? I will call you.
No. Hello? What? When? Me just send her to a shop, so me not understand. Where she is now? Me go send her father, come the right here, so. She not friend on the road a fight. The person say they don't know what is happening, but she and the friend are walk good and just see them start argue. And then them start fight. She part them and tell them for go on by the time they reach up the road again, them a fight.
You know,
So you go and go save SCR.
So we go and then she go start cussing me, go shame on the street. That's what I want, you know. Better you go your answer.
And that's the thing. If it's something wrong, me can't say they go clarify to their own opinion.
Yeah, but me don't want she go embarrass me. Go on, tell me what, man. Go on. Yeah, go.
You see, if you're not there, live good. This could have been okay. You could have go down there and control her. Everything I meet, they put on me. Every burden, every stress, every problem I meet, they pan. I can't take it no more. You have to go fix things. Me I go down there, go see what's going on. Because I don't understand her, you know. Just like you, you know. The pick me I see it just like you know. She not take nothing from me. Because she not have nothing I run through her, nothing for me I run through her face. Me is a humble, calm person.
Yeah, go, you now, go.
I'm going.
So go on then, no.
That's with you. You get over the cost.
Hurry up, though.
Wagwan, I take so long for you. How are you?
Yeah, I know what I say. I want girl to come go like she want into the... That word there. That word there.
Intimidate you?
In... What?
Intimidate you?
I saw you pronounce that word there. That word there.
Yeah, man, I saw you go. When in our bedroom, I take, where if you take, you have to always have yasso. Not only take where you have to take in the bedroom. Always have yasso. So what she ask you?
Show me I tell her about her father and tell her say.
Oh, so
She not fi follow her.
So you're not father there. So I say come down.
Yeah, no, say your next problem. What you mean if me and her father there? What you mean by?
Can you tell me about his father?
Yeah, even like listen what me I say.
Okay, talk it up.
You just step and see ya.
Talk it up.
Me simply tell her say she not fi follow her father footstep. Me say no my father. All grab me in my head.
You're really bright and ring, Fitrino. Not only bright, you're dunce. We talk, but when you do wrong, we go stop sound bright. When you're dunce. How you fi tell the girl to follow her father footsteps? You know if your father a criminal?
You see with you now, you're not listening out to your ears. You just hear big old dirty ears them for nothing. Me never say that. Me say, me tell her she have to follow her father footsteps. You say you hear say me I say.
You can't tell the girl that neither. How you tell the girl to follow her father footsteps?
Okay.
Suppose his father is a millionaire and his father, if you follow that footsteps.
If you ever see father, you would take back what you say.
Oh, maybe you know what you're talking about.
Exactly. Me know exactly what me talk about.
So what happened? Make you know if you follow her father footsteps now.
You want to know too much now. You want to know people business too much. Where you go?
You forgot say when time you're in the bedroom, right? With the lace, everything come out.
You ever lace me?
Hey,
Me say if you ever lace me.
I lace you.
When?
I give,
Unless I know my sleep.
I
Where
give-
you talk about? Okay, so you rate me then. And that you try to say, can me know to God, I can't recall me giving you my front. So what you mean in a lace room?
I prank you, idiot.
Yeah, next
I
one, let me a
I
maid.
test you to see if you there have sex. You're fool. You see it? I know me.
Hey, don't run that serious joke with me.
I test you, man. We need a run joke with you, but for a serious level. What go on? When you decide to give me the apple, you part Eve. When Eve give Adam the apple, man, Adam strike you right away. What you do? Make me be Adam, man, you be Eve.
There's no Adam and Eve here.
You know what?
There's no. What the next people them name? Hey, my brain not really there, so you know. But there's no Adam and Eve here. You go wait until me decide to give you. And if I can't wait, to one. The door is wide open. If I can't wait, you're gone.
I'm glad to see that, because you know why? You're going to start wait for money. You're going to start wait for money. You see me now? Since that's me have to wait for the little apple before it ripe, and it ripe already in a soon spoil. So ginger fly soon fall it. So since that's me have to wait.
You know what joke me a make.
A joke you make. You're going to wait to wait. Yeah? Wait to wait.
Anyways, cut a long conversation, where you go?
You're not hungry?
Yes, are you and me as a lecture me? Like you think of school this. I'm left school how long?
Okay. I'll go get something to eat. But yeah, it's gonna go to this place. Not order nothing too dear, yeah? Because one woman instantly if we order big lobster, go on.
A lobster me want.
Mama, I chicken here order.
Me not ready to fly yet.
Marika, what do you? What wrong with you? What you singing so do? Why you fight? What wrong? What happened?
Amanda trouble me about my father. When I talk about my father, drunkard, and me tell her say me not like when people say that about my father, even though me and him not on good terms. I just don't like it when people talk about my father and a bug about me. So I just lick her, and then me and her start fight.
Why, me I tell you. So I tell me I teach you, so you have to hear people say things and not answer, no, baby.
But me always ignore her. Every day I see something. And me I ignore her. I couldn't take it over. But I did have to react this time.
What kind of friend that me I keep? I tell you about a little girl, you know, because if she was your friend, she knows that this is your weakness and she would even do this to you. And all the time I tell you, leave her company out. Alright, come me baby, come we go home. Come. It's alright, me. Because she have to come back over the yard, you know. Because she still a come back. No care everywhere you now have, she still a come back.
I just wish that he can change his lifestyle. Tell that the sit name. Tell that man. He never used to dance, so why he stays so all of a sudden?
I just don't try to talk to him about it. Because he make me know say I need this, and I not do that, and I not do this. So guess what? Me go see, me go start do everything and see where I have a problem with it. If you still have continue drink, you see, I'm still continue drinking, me just pack up and go down with my mother, okay? Come, we go down. We go down there, come. So me I go in the kitchen and come back. You soon come.
So what now? How are your mom say I'm to down there, so?
Like you care. If you did care, I would have reached down there. But obviously you don't care, so you sit down here so with your rum buckle and your boom. So you don't care, so don't ask me nothing. And my mother cares, and my mother come.
Let me tell you something. Marika. I'm going to say this to you, see? And you know the real reason why we go around back?
And if you know a reason, I'm not supposed to know that the reason is.
The real reason I'm come back off the road and come home. If you say, you don't understand how hard me I work to keep this family together. I feel say you don't understand that. So you say, me not lie, I drink a rum bar because of you. Yeah, because of you. It has stressed me out because
After me not doing
I
in a
want
life,
to pick me up, but it's like, what? So what the reason why we started that way?
you don't know a reason why we live this way here?
No, me don't know.
Wow.
I think me I try to be a father, which, you know, like, Father's Day come and me not even get a gift from you before, you know.
You deserve
always.
it.
So why me deserve it? Me I
You
put
don't
food on the
deserve
table.
it.
Eh?
You could have put $1 million on the table, you don't deserve it.
Yeah, but why me not deserve it? Me make sure say alright. Me never want to come down there while I go because me don't want you to embarrass me. And then go make me feel small. You know, say me dog down on the road and if you go see that again, me I go look like I want a little idiot.
You see what you don't understand in life? When I need you the most, you never did it.
What do you mean? Me did it for you.
You feel like paying me school fee, give me something to eat, and there's something there. That is not it.
But me not have no other choice but to do that. If me can't do the other thing, then well, me there now, I know some soon go up and look construction work up and I watch it for the next 2 weeks, I want 3 weeks. And then I come back and now. And I wanna wait. You know when this really start, I when I left high school, I will left and go high school now. You just start be bitter to me. I want me to do wrong.
You don't know where to wrong.
No, tell me now.
You really don't know where to wrong.
What me do wrong, Marika?
Fine. Since you want to know, me go make you know. Alright. Before me left high school, you remember how we used to have fun, have father and daughters there when we go laugh.
Dress up in the same shirt.
Yeah.
Best dad.
Yeah.
Best daughter.
Yeah.
And you tear up your best daughter shirt.
I'm a tear up because me need my father and my graduation. Me did want your support, me did want, yes, my mother did everything, but me and you closer than my mother. And you make me one opportunity to have with me and my father dress up in our nice clothes. If we go have dinner, it's me and my mother alone go have dinner.
Right,
where were you when I needed you the most?
Marika, you remember what happened, Marika? I know we have come down from town.
That is no excuse, but you know, say, you know months before, say the day of my graduation, and you still miss it. You still go to work. You still miss it. You come down on the day when I'm graduation. Anything when you tell me, it not gonna make no sense to me right now.
But Marika, you have to understand, the money when you buy your gown and buy the nice shoes and do your hair and do your nails, I become more have to take you work at town. No, I take you work at town and I send you come down to your mother. And I give your mother everything and I make sure say she alright. with you going to the graduation, I tell you something might be late or I might not end up making because the bus broke down and them couldn't find no, Sunday you can't say boy you gonna put out here and get a taxi to come down.
No, what you tell me still not gonna make no sense now.
So that's the reason where you cut off your father?
Yes.
You cannot be like that, Marika.
Why me cannot be like that?
feel say me love
I
my
can
daughter?
be like
You
that.
feel say me love my daughter?
So you don't feel some love you as my father.
No, is it this yeah? I'm drinking because I said to me work hard and you're my first daughter. Eh? You're my first and only daughter, only picnic. And you understand, say it stressed me out. Sometimes you don't understand, say as fathers we have a rough. And I love things.
Me know say you have a rough. Me know.
Listen, I say there's like a battle when we have fight. And you don't understand and you don't know. We have fight secret battles in our mind and in our heart. We have to keep it because the culture we live in, we have to be a man and we can't talk with mind. So that's why I turn to the room. You feel say I cheat your woman. Enough time I did that, I tell woman my problem. And they say, wow, you're a nice man and this and that. And they want to take my number, they want to come on my yard with me and all them something. And me have to tell them, say, no, it was just a conversation.
Anything you say.
But me I tell you, say, alright, so yeah, tell me, sir, that's a reason how we can fix it then. How we can fix it? Are you willing, as my daughter, enough to accept my apology? Because I love my daughter. And this is well, to read a woman because me love her too and things. You don't
talk about my mother don't in this. Only way you can get back my trust and everything unless they set up a father and daughter day.
Just no problem. But tomorrow me go. So me go tomorrow and you see your face long again. After something, tell us now, so you plan for eat for 1 month then. Your mother not work in America.
Then make she go work.
She cannot work because after her education and you wanna shame for me send her go work or pack back at supermarket.
Then why you not send me a college then? Then the same thing.
No, because me want to correct it now. Me or correct, I take charge of everything now. You understand? And make sure say you're secure. Me have people, all the people who want to be the house right now. You see people who want to be the house for and them run down a sandals there, you know. And then run them hotel place there. So we can make you either run according to yourself. Yes, so that we can make you run certain things and put in certain things from now. Because they say country there. Dog who know you. Know you. Oh, damn sitting there. And who you know.
I will know you.
You understand? Yeah, so I tell you, say, I have to drink no more. I tell you, if you understand. So you tell me that we could have fixed a long time. He just vexed my face and gone. And me, you just say,
why me fi tell you that?
Look how
no, why me did fi tell her that?
Because me your father, you have to talk to me.
But you supposed to know why me move. You're supposed to know why me distant myself from you, why me vex with you. You're supposed to know. That I think when me vex with you for. Too. That's one I reason too. Come here, you're close. You know everything about me, me know everything about you. And we not hide nothing from each other. So you're supposed to know why me vex, why me upset. You take up drinking, feel like so this did not solve a problem.
Yeah, me feel so. Alright, my daughter.
So it solve a problem?
No, you solve it. Alright, my daughter, listen to me. We love you. And from this day forward, moving forward, we're going to do what we're doing. That alright with you?
Yes.
You sure?
Let me think about it.
Alright, so, sorry. Sorry, my daughter. Love you very much, yeah?
Love you too, Daddy.
Lord Jesus, thank you, Father God. That means a good thing you got the rubber fight. Father Jesus, look how long me I ask for this. Thank you, Lord. Come down the middle, come sit down. Thank you, Jesus.
So why you want to come in the middle?
Alright, go and say to your father, my love. Go and say to your father.
I joke, come beside your husband.
Why me I tell you, I'm glad to you fix this. I'm glad you fix this, you. And this me I wait for all along. We can sit down as a family and talk.
But Mama, thank God that Daddy told them engage. They told them hungry, you know.
Jesus, peace, my pitney. I try me to do them long time. I take them down. I try me to do me to them long time, you know. Because what pan for you? So when I tell me the phone told them better than for me.
Yes.
It's alright. Because glad the two of them fixing the problem and the family come back together. So the dinner ready? You ready to eat? Alright, no
You
problem.
can switch your food today again.
All that, nobody gonna say that all of my belly have bun me, you know. My belly have bun me right now.
Alright.
Imagine.
You know, so you don't happen to, you know, I have to give you something spicy, man.
Well, I'm glad this happened that you know, may I go for the dinner? May I bring you in first?
Yeah, bring him in first. May I go about you?
You do? Yeah. I'm running belly of daddy.
And the pepper where you put in my belly, me can't hold no food.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Yes, I know, yes. Yes, I know. We would be here someday. Take time to listen what I have to say. Hey, hey, hey. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Everybody got their roles to play. Hey, hey, hey. Please listen. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Hey, hey, hey. I not gonna break your heart. I'm gonna leave that for the scammers. And I ain't not gonna pay you up front if I can't get no goods. Just listen to me, please. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Lesson of the day. Cause everything is gonna be okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is not for me just cannot be for me. And what makes you happy just might make me unhappy. I'm so sorry I can't pretend to be a hypocritical kind of friend while I'm on my way. This is the message of the day. Everybody got their roles to play. Check to see if what I'm talking is true. Enough of them bite off more than what them can chew. I see them going down the wrong avenue. But them too, then I ask for help. I've got some news for you. You never listen to the message of the day. Everyone got roles to play. Hey, hey, hey. You've got to find your role. Play it well, my friend. Hey. You've got to play your role, yeah. Yeah. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Everybody got their roles to play, yeah. Why? Everybody got their roles to play. Lesson of the day now. Cause everybody got their roles to play. Play your role, my friend. Everybody